All right, hey folks, I'm sure you're wondering the same thing I was wondering when I got this Eibach lowering kit from AmericanMuscle.com, and it came with one of these. So it took me a while to kind of figure out where it's supposed to go. I think I got it figured out now. There's a little plate that's above the rear differential, right underneath the, right where the drive shaft connects with the rear axle. So it's a little sketch underneath there, but I'll figure it out, I think, here. I'll show you what's going on. So I think it's that plate right there. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. That big rubber bushing that you see is what's supposed to come out. That's a factory one. It's gonna be replaced with this. I guess I'll go ahead and take it out and show you what it looks like when I'm done.